What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cop Cars. Today is the day I install the exhaust. I've been waiting for this for a while because mine rusted out. So we're gonna be taking the stock exhaust off. FBI, open up! Anyways, we're gonna be taking the exhaust off and installing this bad boy. I'm super excited to get this installed, mainly because I have no muffler. It's not loud by any means. I'll do a quick video once we get out there, but I really love the sound of the HKS exhaust on these. So let's go ahead and go out there. It is kind of windy today, so I'm gonna see how good the sound quality is and base this video on today or maybe the next few days. We'll see. So let's get to it. Those of you wondering, my hair's wet. I just woke up and showered. It's 4 p.m. and you barely showered? It's night shift. Those who work night shift know you feel. All right, let's get this. Ooh, stickers. Gasket, bolts, nuts, washers. Perfect. All right, here we go. As you can see, yeah, it's just been chilling right there. Alright, first things first, we're gonna get the car up in the air. It's a lot more windy than I expected. So I'm gonna wear my beanie, that way my hair's not all over my face. You would have 3 bolts right here, and the muffler has 3 threaded inserts. So mine has rusted out. As you can tell, it was leaking right there before I finally gave out. You have a hanger right here, and right here above the bumper. Since this is already out of the equation, I'm gonna work more up there, as you can see, and get this pipe off right now. That way I have a closer look. It looks like these brackets right here. I don't know if you can see the other one, but there's a bolt right here, and on the other side that's holding this pipe on, that's supporting it, and the hanger. So we're gonna take these bolts off real quick. Okay, so once it's out, it's just a 12 millimeter, and then like I said, there's one on this side. You know what? I think I was looking at my exhaust wrong on the HKS, because that one is right above the O2 sensor up above. That's kind of a tight fit. See what I can do. I think the best thing to do is, since that's already on a hanger, we're gonna unbolt the exhaust from the cat and then drop the whole pipe and then just pull off the hanger itself, the rubber hanger, and we should be able to pop it off just like that. So let me try that. So these 2 bolts on the exhaust are 19 millimeter. So go ahead and get those off. Okay. So it's officially taken me an hour to get this off. This one last bolt right there. So get yourself some PV Blaster and an impact. Definitely makes your life a ton easier. So now that we have those bolts off, we're gonna pull this hanger off and get this O2 sensor out as well. There's a little ground strap right here, so don't forget it. It's just a 10 millimeter. It's gonna keep it on. If you can see that one right there, there's another hanger. That one's gonna be a 12 millimeter as well. Let's go ahead and get that one out. So, as you can see, I just unplugged it. If you take the rubber grommet out, you'll be able to unplug it from here. That way you don't have to mess around with this, trying to get it loose. Now that you have it out, it's more easier to take this off once it's out. Once you got your O2 installed, let's do the reverse. this after 2.5 hours. I always forget, like, exhaust installs look like they're so much more simple. People make them look more simple because they cut like an hour's worth of work out. But it's on. I'm excited, so let's start it. Guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Overall, my opinion, it's not bad. It could be better. It's definitely hiding a lot more. So I think next thing is gonna be a downpipe, because right now it's still a little bit quiet. You win this time, neighbors. So we're gonna get downpipe maybe soon. I'm not sure. I do have the white Z that I need to get done, and for those of you asking, I can't reveal it just yet. It's almost done, very close, but I am planning on doing a huge reveal on it, and then we'll get more into the details when that time comes. If you find this video useful when you're trying to pick out an exhaust system for one of these cars, that's what I do personally. I just go on YouTube and see what exhaust systems are out there and how they sound. This exhaust, I do like it. It beats the drone that I was having. Oh my gosh, it can definitely be a little bit better once we get a downpipe on it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, you know the whole deal. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you want to see more of with the GSX, because I know a lot of my subscribers right now are Eclipse owners and some GSX owners, so I definitely want to help out that community as well, and then start posting up my red Z and my white Z32. So definitely let me know what you guys want to see. Other than that, guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.